as a cooperative because of the unity, because of the good management. You were able to make it, and aside from that, you were also able to show how resilient, MEMPCO cooperative is.
Like MEMPCO, for example, as one of the largest cooperative in Zamboanga City, who went out bravely despite of the danger, and they provide assistance to members and non-members in the community. Pero sa ka-estedia and oportunidad para man-congratulate and recognize the efforts of the officers and management of MEMPCO. All these programs and achievements I consider a product of the cooperative upright leadership and governance, as well as the agility and dynamism of the management staff headed by your General Manager, Eleanor Santiago Dillena.
My salute and my thanks. Mag-thank you din ako sa lahat ng mga branch managers. Also, special mention sa lahat ng mga supervisors sa branch and the DO sa pag-assist sa amin, sa pag-follow up sa ating mga member representative to make sure that they will be able to participate in this Zoom virtual representative assembly meeting, and of course for them to be able to register early this morning. To all the technical staff dito sa central office, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Without all of you, hindi to magiging successful, and lahat ng mga board of directors. Thank you so much sa ating election committee headed by Madam Chair Les Ballesteros and ELECO member Madam Flor Naval. Sa lahat, salamat.